Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to properly use Biscuit Spray Paint on your appliance. The reason why you might have to do this is because the appliance has some sort of unsightly mark on it, scratches, dents, dings, things like that, and you want to get rid of them. For this repair, you'll need a dust mask and a can of spray paint. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the stove that we're going to be using for our demonstration. It's a Frigidaire. And keep in mind that ours might be a little bit different than what you've got at home, but the same techniques should still apply. The first thing you want to do is make sure you turn your gas off. So for this demonstration, I'm going to be using a black stove, just so that you can see the biscuit colored paint on it. You'll be able to see it pretty well because obviously those are two very different colors. And I'm going to just put a little bit on the surface right here and show you exactly how you should be going and spray painting. Now the spray paint is good for if you got a lot of scratches or just some kind of unsightly maybe rust or something like that, or a spot that you just can't wipe off and it's just covering the entire side of your appliance. So you'll be able to cover that all up and make it look like brand new. Before I start, I'm just going to lay down a little bit of a paper towel down here because the dust of the paint tends to fall and gets everywhere. I don't have to clean that off my floor later on. So now that we've got this paper towel down, I can show you with the paint what we're going to do first. Make sure it's shaken up. So now that we've got our paint mixed up pretty well, all we're going to do is make sure that the nozzle is pointed towards the stove first off. You don't want to get any paint all over your hands. And in short bursts, we're going to go back and forth across the surface of the stove, like so. Just make sure you see a couple of spots right there. That's because my finger got in the way of the nozzle, and you don't want to do that. So just make sure that if that's happening, just readjust your grip on top of the nozzle, and then you can start going again. And we'll just cover those ones up. And we're not going to do the entire thing. This is just a demonstration of how you would cover up the spot that you got that's just screwed up. So we'll let that dry, and then you can take a look and see how it turns out. So now you can see here our paint is nice and dry, and this is the color that it dries as. So if you need any of this biscuit spray paint, you can find some on our online store. And now we can turn our gas back on. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.